Owabe inhloko yamajaji eGauteng uBernard Ngoepe uthi akekho umuntu ongenalo iphutha kodwa umsebenzi kahulumeni ukuvikela abantu. Uthi uhulumeni kumele ubheke omunye umbono ngesinqumo senkantolo. Ijaji uNgoepe lisho lokhu emva kwesinqumo senkantolo ephakeme eNorth Gauteng ePitoli esithi imithetho ye-lockdown ayihambisani nomthethosisekelo. Inkantolo inikeze uhulumeni amasonto amabili ukuthi uguqule lemithetho. Umnyango wezokubusa ngokubambisana nezindaba zomdabu ubungakaphawuli ngalesi sinqumo.
As a consequence, the National Coronavirus Command Council has decided to enforce a nationwide lockdown for 21 days.
Itiko ke anqwale qhwaba izandla kwenyathelo likahulumeni lokumisa ngqi intshukumo. Kodwa kuthe kusokongezwa kufikelela kwisigaba sesine nesesithathu baqala batsarhwa becocola inkundla zamatyala. Kambe ke nenkundla ivumile kokuba zikhona iziphene kule migqaliselo ithe yabekwa. Ukanti ke wayesakuba inhloko yeJaji eGauteng naye ungenelele kule nyabatyikili.
It's a duty of the government to protect life, just as they must observe the rule of law. But there is no constitutional crisis in this country. There is a health crisis.
Urhulumente ke uthi usaqwalasele sisigwebo.
Once cabinet has studied the judgment and in the 14 days charted or decided on a way forward, it will make the necessary pronouncements.
Nabembo mZantsi Afrika ke baphosile esivivaneni bevakalisa izimvo zabo.
The government was to ensure our safety. The government wanted us to be safe.
Yes, they were too strict with some of the regulations.
Even if you were like to move straight to level 1, it's fine. You should just adapt.
Ezinsuku zimbalwa zizayo izakubaleka kakhulu kuhulumende njengokwefuna isike emnyameni ngenyathelo zakulithabatha. Ndingwabongile Dumako kwindaba ze SABC eGauteng.